After you know this, you will not use toothpaste in the same way ever again. You will save a lot of money with this secret, and the toothpaste factories will be upset with me when I tell you. It is normal that after using toothpaste after a couple of weeks, the content begins to run out. What most people do is that when the toothpaste reaches this point, they throw it in the trash and buy another one. But this is not the best option, since you are throwing away a good amount of the content for which you already paid. Other people, what they do is cut the back of the toothpaste to remove all the content. But this is not correct either, since bacteria can enter the bathroom, and it could even dry out for when you go to use it next time. But do not worry, because today I will teach you an incredible solution that will help you get the most out of it. I take advantage of the toothpaste so that you save a lot and do not have to change it so often. And we will do all this using only a couple of cotton swabs and a couple of elastic bands. The first thing you should do is take the toothpaste that is already used. With the help of your fingers, flatten this part as much as you can so that there are no lumps. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me so that I can send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Ismari Martinez from Cuba. Now we will place both swabs in the part that we flatten just as I show you. The next thing will be to take the elastic bands and wrap a strong one on each end. The stronger we tie, the better it will work. Soon you will see the interesting part of this. Once this is done, we will gently slide the swabs. You will notice that the toothpaste will be completely flattened, moving the toothpaste towards the mouth. In this way, you will use 100% of the content of the toothpaste and you will not waste a penny. You can leave it fixed until the toothpaste is finished and repeat the process as many times as you want. If you got this far, leave me the phrase, "I will take better advantage of the toothpaste," so I will know that you watched the whole video.
Así sabré que miraste todo el video.